here we have a big garage stick box, and I ordered these parts probably over a month ago now, and I was waiting for some bits because they were on pre-order, but I have now got them. So we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing. This one is not for the car, believe it or not. This is for the bike. It's from Ultimate Rectifiers. It's a rectifier regulator because mine's burnt out and my bike's overcharging. No one I know has used these, but they've got a 3-year warranty, so I thought I'd give them a try. But there'll be more on the bike in another video. Getting down to the lovely garagistic part package. Let's see what we have here. Well, I know what we have here, and it's some very exciting things. Hopefully you can see me, because if you can't see me, then this is going to be a bit shit. You can see me, I tested it, so it's fine. Right, it looks like it's in separate boxes, so let's get these boxes out of the way. What's here? Oh, this is my DSSR, right, okay. And that's my seat rails. Oh, my shifter. Well, that looks like that looks lovely. We'll start these. These are Derlin, so they're just one material softer than aluminium gearbox mounts to go with the next thing I'm going to pull out of the box, which is a chassis mount short shifter. This is, I mean, the quality on this is ridiculous. I was expecting much less, if I'm honest. But have a look at that. Look at that. I mean, that's just beautiful. One piece of billet. Aluminum, as the Americans would say. But this is the real kicker, and this is the one I'm really excited for. This is the carbon fibre. Oh, that's lovely, that is. That is the carbon fibre shift rod or shifter. I'll do some close-up shots in a minute. Carbon fibre shifter, and this will be my gearbox shift knob. My shift knob, not my gearbox, just my shift knob. Cool, that's also very nice. Oh, I can't wait to be using this. This is just ridiculous. This is way too nice for me. I don't have nice things like this. Oh, I can't wait. Absolutely can't wait. Anyway, moving swiftly on. I have no idea what's in these two bit boxes. Oh, these would be my tail lights. I've got two sets of tail lights because one of them's for my friend. Since I was doing an order, one of my E30 buddies also wanted clear tail lights. But I'll show you them in a sec as well. This is my garagistic DSSR linkage. So this goes from the short shifter to my gearbox and allows me to shift. I mean, this is also very, very lovely. Very lovely. And that's the mounting kit, I think. Then the last thing in this big box, and then I can get rid of that, is these two things, which are my mountain rails for my bucket seat, which means I can mount that finally. Oh, that's a nice bit. Nice bit of billet right there. I'll leave them in the boxes because they're not that important. The main piece that's going to change the look of the car, the biggest. Also, shout out Garage Works. As you know, that's where I work on the car. This is going to be the clear tail lights. And this is the main thing that I wanted from Garagistic. Car. Oh mate. Look at that. I mean, that is just ridiculous, isn't it? That is going to be beautiful. I'm so excited. Oh no. The lens is chipped. I mean, you can't really tell. Oh, you can tell. Hopefully it's just the one of them. Looks like it is. But, yeah. Let me do some close-ups now. So I can show you stuff in detail. So this is the whole lot. This, I mean, look at the detail on that. That's gorgeous. I can't wait to have that in the car. Again, shift rod or DSSR. That basically goes on the bottom of this. Goes on the bottom of that. And then I think the shifter goes on the top here. Like that. And then this bent end goes towards the gearbox. That is my little badge for the shift knob. It'll go in there. Gearbox mounts. Again, part of the short shifter. This is, I believe, the mounting kit for the DSSR. And then this is the part for the bike, the Ultimate Rectifier's regulator rectifier. And then this, the main attraction, the clear tail lights. They're going to look so good in the car. This is the bit on the lens that I noticed slightly chipped there. So I'll get in contact with them and see what happens. But that is a beautiful, beautiful piece right there. I can't wait to have it on the car. But that concludes this video. I've rambled on way too long probably, but yeah, I am so excited with these new parts. There's a lot more I can do now, especially with the seat mount rails. That means I can get the seat on and in position and see how it looks, how it feels to drive. However, I don't think it's going to stay in there very long because I need to strip all the interior out to weld the roof up. So it's going to be a mount up-ish, see where it sits, see if I need to bash the transmission tunnel in, because a lot of the time with these E30s you're not centered to the steering wheel, you're slightly off to the right. So you have to move the seat to the left into the tunnel, which a lot of the time there's not room for, but we'll make it work, we'll get centered, and yeah, I'm just really excited. I'm very happy, very happy.